All right, welcome back to the Velvethamma show. Finally got something for you guys. It's been a whole winter, but I got something in, and I got to get it done in the next 4 weeks because it'll be back to work time. 02 F350 Stakebed truck, dually 4x4. This one is going to be a 80% restoration, we'll call it. Fenders and hood are getting changed. Doors are getting the logos stripped. Whole cabs repainted. Gonna strip all the paint off of the stake bed where the sides go on. Patch some rust, nothing too crazy. Stuff like that. Really, for this truck being a 92, we're gonna peek and see how many miles are on it. It's not in bad shape. The fenders are gone. The rockers are good. We're gonna do headlight, bumper, grill, new. This truck had the hood damaged on it, and then now the paint's completely come off all the way down to the primer. So a lot of this truck is gonna be a strip job. Roof marker lamps coming off, new going on. Roof beacon delete. This is a plow truck. There's the beacon. It was a bolt-on type, so I got some holes in the roof, which I'm not going to climb up there right now. But we got this kind of stuff going on. Driver floorboard, like all these F-Series trucks of this vintage. When he got these trucks new, he took the rubber floor mats out, and a couple years ago put Herculiner on them. But as you can see, he put the Herculiner over bare steel. So we're not stripping the floors out, but we are going to strip some of this liner back, and we're going to section in this floor piece here, because where the flange goes to the rocker, the flange on both is gone, but it's solid. Okay, so hopefully we can do something with that for him. This truck, I don't have the keys in it. I don't even think it has 100,000 miles, but it also doesn't see winter anymore. So that's what's going on. We're gonna get that all squared away for him, hopefully in the upcoming video. Today, I'm going to try and strip roof marker lamps off. I'm going to try and take windshield trim off, and maybe do headlights and grill. I don't know that I'll get to the bumper, but I'm gonna start soaking the bumper bolts on it. It's not in horrible shape. It's not damaged, but it does have some good rust spots on it. And since we're repainting the truck, we're going to try and give it a facelift. So that's what I got for you for the moment. I know I've been absent, but I have had absolutely no body work jobs in here this winter. We've been really busy snow plowing, probably been out 20 times. So it's really cut into it. Plus I got some other stuff going on, doing home renovation stuff. So I know some of you guys would like to see that, but enough of being long-winded. I will bring you back when I'm pulling some more stuff off. All right, end of day one. Got about 6 hours in it today. So far, I pulled all the marker lights out of the bed. Worked on getting these screws freed up on the door. The uppers are free, the lowers are stuck. So inner door panels are sitting inside there. They're off. Alrighty. Whole front end of the truck is tore down, getting ready to rip the fenders and hood off of it tomorrow. That was a job. Fasteners were froze up, so it was just a matter of soaking and going back and forth. It's got a snowplow frame on it and a bumper spacer, so that wasn't too bad to get off. She's laying there. Toolboxes are off. Not sure what kind of bolts were in it. They were almost like a jack nut or something that was on there, but I ended up just torching them off. There's what's left of the boxes, but I got to straighten that one. This one got backed into something, must have backed over something with the rear tire and smashed it forward, so I got to straighten that up to be able to put another box on it. So that's where we're at for the end of the first day on this. I'll bring you guys back tomorrow when we start tearing into the front fenders and the hood. I'm sorry I didn't show a whole lot of that, but it's a whole lot of figuring out how to do it. I've never had one of these apart before, so we'll catch you on the next one. All right, I lied. We're going to come back and explain to you how some of this stuff comes apart. So if you look over here, I wanted to get the headlights and the headlight doors out. There's the header panel of the truck right there. Now, take one of these headlight buckets out and look at it. There's screw holes in the top, and hold it back, there it is right there. And you look inside, there's a bolt there and a bolt there right by the marker light. The easy way to do this is to take both batteries out. If you have two, if you have one, you shouldn't have a second battery tray to worry about. I fought this one and gave up and pulled this battery tray out. So you can see there ain't a whole hell of a lot of room down there. If you wiggle your fingers around in there, there's a bolt that's through this slot here, because this is where the marker lamp comes through, and then you put your finger through there to get the other one. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but it is what it is. Actually, I take that back. Did I tell you the wrong spots? Actually, it might be there. Now I gotta look. Let's set one of them up there. Try the driver's side. Yeah. If I was smart, I'd show you in the header panel, because that's not where it went. So you have to reach through holes in the backside, and this would be, let's see, looking at it. So I can get it to set up there. All right. So there's the driver's side. The holes I pointed to that you reach through there and there correspond with that hole and that hole right there. That's how you unbolt the marker light. It's a son of a bitch. They're 11 millimeter. And then in order to get the headlights out, it's easier to take the header panel off. There's bolt, bolt, bolt. There's a U-clip on this. You can't really see it. Same thing on the other side. Bolt, hole, 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 because there's threads or a U-nut or both. I can't remember. Oh, actually the bolt. Yeah. There's threads on the back, no U-nut, so there and there. It's really not that hard. There's probably a way to do it with taking less of it apart, but I'm faster at tearing the whole thing apart. So that's kind of how that all went. So I just wanted to give you a heads up on that.